Hi everyone! If your desk chair looks fine in the room, but your back, knees, and neck are telling a totally different story after a full workday, that is usually the moment you realize the chair matters more than you thought. Today I'm sharing my experience with the SIHOO M18 Ergonomic Office Chair. And this is one of those chairs I looked at because I needed something practical for long hours at a desk without spending a fortune. I wanted something that felt like a real upgrade from an old office chair. But I also didn't want something overly complicated, oversized, or uncomfortable after the first few hours. Starting with the setup, assembly was pretty straightforward. The parts were organized clearly enough, and the included hex key was actually comfortable to use because it had a handle that made it easier to get leverage. I would say this is not a difficult chair to put together, and it can definitely be done by one person, but attaching the backrest to the seat is easier if you have someone nearby to hold it in place for a moment. The wheels also take a bit of force to pop into the metal base, so that was probably the part that needed the most strength. Nothing about the assembly felt impossible though. Once everything was lined up, it came together smoothly. The instructions are mostly visual, so I did have to slow down a little and make sure I was using the washers in the right places. The illustrations could be larger and clearer, but if you take your time and lay everything out first, it's manageable. From opening the box to having the chair ready to sit in, it feels like the kind of assembly that takes around half an hour if you're not rushing. Once assembled, the chair has a clean, modern look. It doesn't scream gaming chair, and it doesn't look bulky in a home office. The dark, simple design makes it easy to place beside a desk, whether your workspace is in a dedicated office, bedroom corner, or shared room. The mesh back gives it a lighter visual style, and the overall build looks more polished than a basic hand-me-down office chair. The first thing I noticed when sitting down was the seat size and support. The cushion is not the softest, sink-in kind of cushion, but it has enough padding to feel supportive for daily use. I actually prefer that for longer desk sessions because very soft seats can feel nice at first and then become uncomfortable later. This one feels more like it is trying to support your weight evenly. The seat is roomy enough, with good support under the thighs, and I didn't feel cramped in it. For long hours at a desk, comfort is where this chair makes the most sense. I wouldn't describe it as a luxury recliner, because no office chair magically makes sitting all day perfect. But compared with a worn-out older chair or a racing-style gaming chair, this feels much better for the lower back. After several hours of working, reading, typing, or leaning forward at the desk, the support is noticeable. It helps keep the body in a more natural sitting position instead of letting you collapse into the chair. The backrest is one of the stronger points. The mesh feels flexible and durable, not loose or cheap. It gives a bit as you lean into it, and because it is mesh, it feels more breathable than a thick padded backrest, especially during warmer days or longer work sessions. The high back also makes the chair feel more complete, because it supports more than just the lower back. The lumbar support is adjustable, and I like that you can decide how much you want to feel it. If I sit all the way back, it gives direct support to the lower back. If I scoot forward slightly, it becomes less noticeable. That makes it easier to shift positions throughout the day. Some people may find the lumbar area a little firm if they press directly into it for hours, so that's something to keep in mind. For me, it works best when adjusted carefully, rather than pushed aggressively into the back. The headrest is another useful feature. I don't use it constantly, but when reclining or taking a short break, it's nice to have. It can work more like a neck rest depending on the height, and it tilts smoothly enough to find a comfortable angle. It's not the same as resting on a soft pillow, but for an office chair, it gives welcome support, especially if you spend long stretches looking at a monitor. The recline feature is probably one of my favorite parts. You can sit upright for focused work, or lean back when you want to relax for a moment. The chair reclines naturally with your body weight, and the motion feels smooth rather than sudden. There's also adjustment for how much tension or give the chair has when you lean back. That makes a big difference because some people like a firmer recline, while others want the chair to move more easily. Being able to lock it upright is also helpful when you want more structure while typing or reading. But it's worth thinking about your desk height and leg position before deciding. The wheels roll fine in general, but they are not the smoothest rollers I've ever used. On some surfaces, they may not glide quite as easily as more premium caster wheels. It hasn't been a major problem for me, but it is one of those small details where the chair feels practical rather than high-end luxury. In terms of sturdiness, the chair feels solid once assembled. The base, back, and adjustment parts feel dependable, and the chair doesn't feel flimsy when sitting upright or leaning back. Over time, I would still keep an eye on the screws and tighten anything if it starts to loosen. Because with any adjustable office chair, movement and daily use can work parts loose gradually. I have also noticed that some chairs like this may develop a small squeak from time to time, but that is usually a minor nuisance rather than a deal breaker. Overall, the SIHOO M18 feels like a strong option for someone who spends long hours at a desk and wants better back support. An adjustable headrest, a breathable mesh back, reclining comfort, and a seat that feels supportive without being overly soft. It's easy enough to assemble, looks clean in a home office, and offers a lot of adjustability for the price. It's not perfect. The armrest could feel softer, the wheels could roll more smoothly, the lumbar support may feel firm for some people, and very specific desk setups may need more height. But as an everyday ergonomic office chair, especially as an upgrade from an old, worn-out chair, it does a lot right. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.